Hello everyone, you are welcome at my channel Poonam Pannu English Point. Today we are going to learn about advertisements. Now we learn about advertisement. It carry always 4 marks, 2 marks for content and 2 marks for expression. And before we will know how to write advertisement, we must know what do we understand by advertisement. Advertisement is a public announcement made through available medium like newspaper, magazines, television, etc. It can be about a product, a service or any idea. Advertisement influences people, their mind, their taste and motives. Advertisements are a very powerful tool for promoting sales or services. So our efforts must be made to make an advertisement as effective as possible. We know there are 2 types of classified advertisement. So display advertisement means one is classified advertisement, second one display advertisement. Now we will learn about classified advertisement. Classified advertisement are very small messages in a separate section of a newspaper or a magazine. These messages do not include any diagram. They are used by people to advertise goods, services available or needed, such as if we need house, land, vehicles, then we need for advertisement. These advertisements are also made by individually or companies to inform people of position that needed to be filled or of a person who is looking for a job. Other types of advertisements also matrimonial advertisement. Here it is also included. Sale, purchase, many advertisements are there. Then we need about such things. So there is need to know about how to write a classified advertisement. हम classified advertisement को लिखेंगे कैसे? If the question is asked in the paper, then how we will attempt it? It must be written in a box. First of all, we must think that if we are writing about advertisement, then that must be in a box. It should be specified and written at the top of the box. Only relevant information should be written briefly. It must be written in one paragraph but in phrases only, not in a complete sentence. Language should be concise, simple, formal and factual. Content details should be mentioned in every advertisement. And we must attempt according to the word limit. Now we will learn about display advertisement. Then which kind of advertisements are there? We know about these. Number 1 classified, second one is display advertisement. Display advertisement is made for commercial purposes. ये commercial purpose के लिए बनाई जाती है display advertisement. These advertisements are unlike and these comes in various sizes. We can write forms, we can write. It always includes diagrams, pictures and colors. डिस्प्ले एडवर्टीजमेंट में डायग्राम्स भी बनते हैं बट क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टीजमेंट में हम डायग्राम्स यूज़ नहीं करते. डिस्प्ले एडवर्टीजमेंट इज ऑफन हाईलाइटेड टू एम्फेसिस इट्स इम्पोर्टेंस. किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट को लेके चलते हैं, अगर उसकी एडवर्टीजमेंट करते हैं तो उसकी इम्पोर्टेंस पर दबाव डालने के लिए हम फ्रेजेस में अटेम्प्ट करते हैं. So we must know about such thing, how there is a difference between display advertisement and a classified advertisement. little difference between display advertisement. It should be written in a box. Same, classified or display advertisement, both must be written in a box. In classified advertisement, there is no need to draw any kind of picture, means drawing must not be there. But in display advertisement, drawing and slogans should be used in advertisement. Information should be written in a complete sense, but in classified that must be in phrases. Classified information जब हम देते हैं एडवर्टीजमेंट करते हैं तो वो फ्रेज में होनी चाहिए, बट डिस्प्ले एडवर्टीजमेंट ये हमेशा कंप्लीट सेंटेंस में होती है. डिटेल्स ऑफ द name of the company, office, organization only with discounts and offers. Means these things can be offered by the company. Language should be effective, precise and convincing होना चाहिए. Advertisement should be visually attractive होना चाहिए. Font size of the words should change depending on the ones which are to be highlighted. So this is the pattern how to write display advertisement. And earlier we have read about the classified advertisement, then how we can write in a classified way. So now we will discuss the types of classified advertisement. Classified advertisements, it can be different types: matrimonial, lost and found, situation vacant, situation wanted, sale, purchase, vehicles, etc. But in this video we will learn about one type of classified advertisement, that is sale and purchase. If we want to sell anything, if we want to purchase anything, then which steps we have to use while we are writing about the advertisement for sale or purchase. First of all, we can start with wanted and available. Second type, we must include types of accommodation. It can be flat, floor, office, shop, etc. Particulars such as area of the flat we can mention, number of rooms, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, etc. Such type of things we can include while we are writing sale and purchase. Location and details about its surroundings, suppose its greenery area near to market, like this we can mention. Fixtures and fittings like well furnished, modular kitchen, etc. We can involve such type of necessary things in particular flat or any building. Like we can also include like sun facing, well ventilated, airy, etc. Company बैंक लीज प्रेफरेंस, मीन्स कंपनी अगर उसमें कोई छूट दे रही है, बैंक की तरफ से अगर कोई छूट मिला तो हम उसको मेंशन कर सकते हैं. एक्सपेक्टेड कॉस्ट कि भी मान लो हम कोई परचेज कर रहे घर, तो उसकी जो कीमत है 1 लाख है, तो हम उसको मेंशन कर सकते हैं वहाँ पे 1 लाख. एंड इन द लास्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, लास्ट में हमें अपना कॉन्टैक्ट देना होता है, एड्रेस भी मेंशन कर सकते हैं. एंड वी आल्सो कैन गिव फ़ोन नंबर, so that it can be easily understood and it can be easily written. Suppose we are having an example. Suppose there is Manoj who is looking for a stable house or apartment on rent for 5 years while he is stationed in New Delhi. It should be of stable size का होना चाहिए for him or his family. So draft an advertisement for a national daily, not more than 50 words. Words limits are given here, 50 words, supplying all the necessary informations. So we are having an example, and we can suppose we are having now example that Manoj is looking for accommodation for his family. So we can write in this manner. First of all, we draw a box. We have draw it as a box. Then at the top we will write accommodation wanted, we will write. Then beginning it can be happen like this: wanted stable apartment नियर, अपना एड्रेस दे सकते हैं जहाँ पे आपको ज़रूरत है, लाजपत नगर, फॉर फैमिली ऑफ 4, मतलब देर आर 4 पीपल, लीज फॉर 5 ईयर्स तक चाहिए हमें वो, 4 BHK होना चाहिए, वेल फर्निश्ड होना चाहिए, एयर कंडीशन होना चाहिए, बालकनी ऑन अदर साइड विद गुड व्यू होना चाहिए, पार्किंग फेसिस हो सकता है, वेल वेंटिलेटेड हो सकता है, एयरी हो सकता है, मॉड्यूलर किचन वी कैन राइट, 28 आवर्स वाटर एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, बैकअप एसेंशियल, एक्सक्लूसिव डिज़ाइन, स्पेशियस लॉन, essential exclusively designed spacious lawn, garage, servant quarter we can write that it is a corner, it must be near metro station, hospitals, market, corner house preferable, price negotiable, contact, अपना एड्रेस यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो, लास्ट में फ़ोन नंबर लिख सकते हो। इट मीन्स इफ़ वी वांट टू परचेज एन अकोमोडेशन that such type of facilities we want, we can write in this manner. First of all we draw a box, then whatever we have requirements for this special particular house we can mention such things. So this is the first type of sale and purchase of any accommodation. In the next video we will learn more. I hope you have understood it. Thank you.